It is an individual or it can be a group of people who chart a specific vision, goals, and articulate the same to its members. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, you need people to help you out achieve your goals. No? Maski yan tayo kagaling, kung wala tayong mga tao na ililid, it's not going to work. It will work perhaps, but more difficult. No? Now, another definition of a leader now is the one who establishes goals and provide members with knowledge, tools essential to achieve their goal. So very well said. And lastly, I have another definition of a leader. A leader then is the one who makes sound, prudent, sometimes difficult decisions necessary to achieve your goals or their goals. That is very true, ladies and gentlemen. You know? Once you are a leader, you are oftentimes, you make decisions that are not popular to your team or to your members. But then it's just a matter of articulating the reason behind it. I'll give you one example. As a businessman, of course, once in a while, we need to increase the prices of our products or services. Tama? Now, some of your people will probably go to you and tell you, sir, naging price increase tayo, mahihirapan tayo, mapalakas yung benta natin. That is true. Okay? But then you have to realize that a leader oftentimes has to make difficult, unpopular decisions in order to make your goal a reality. No, it's just a matter of explaining it to your team members that why do you have to increase your price, the price of your goods or services. Maybe you will have to explain it by saying that, yes, I understand your point. Maybe we will have a hard time in increasing our sales, but this thing we have to do, we have to decide, it's because of the increases in the prices of raw materials. No, that's why in my case, in my let's say the Sapping food kiosk, every time there's a price increase, we always have a sign that explains everything. No, it's just a matter of letting your customers know why we have to do that. Importante yan, communication. Because if you don't communicate with your target market, maybe they'll be at a loss, no? O pagkatasa naman to, no? Katatasan nito last month, no? Nag-price increase na naman sila. You have to communicate it very clearly to your target customers. Otherwise, they will somewhere else, no, to buy their goods or services.